If there is a danger in loving somebody too much, then let me die for you, or better still, die in your arms if that is what it will take to show you that I love you. I do not need to die to go to heaven because you are the angel Allah sent to give me the experience I did not believe this world last when you came into my life until I realized that the fact of losing you upsets me. I remember our friends telling us that we were not each other's type, but now they say we are a match made in heaven. You have my attentions, and I am willing to be your slave. Your wish is my command. I love you so much. I did not say anything when you stole my heart, but it bothers me that you stole my sleep too. So why should you do that when we can share the sleep? Let me fix all your broken pieces and make you forget all the frogs you might have kissed before we meet. I love you the way you touch my head without touching my body is crazy. I see and feel you even when you are not around. I you are a queen and I do not kiss and tell when I want someone all to myself. I want you to myself now and always. Never be ashamed of the mistakes you made because we are writing a new love story. I love you and hope to make you the happiest girl in the world. Hate to see you give your heart to someone less. That motivates me to protect our love. Lord knows I needed you in my life. I want to be your hero, the only man you trust to put his life on the line for you. Remember, you are worth more than anything I could ever lose for your sake. You gave me all the happiness and made me the better person I have become. I cannot give you anything valuable enough to repay all your sweetness in my life. I feel proud that you choose me and get secret of other people noticing the good things I see in you. I am asking you to promise me one thing in this letter, that you will be with me always. I promise to be with you now and always. My dreams are full of you. They have gotten better now that you have appeared in them. What can I say? You are my best friend, my love, and my soulmate. You are the best partner and confidant that I can ask for. Thank you for being you. Watching the sunrise in the morning is spectacular, but it is nothing compared to your smile. Every little moment adds up to make me love you more than ever. I love you even more than I did yesterday, and I bet that tomorrow it will grow even stronger. Here is to the girl with the cutest smile in the entire world. Loving you is awesome. Yesterday I thought I was convinced, then today when I woke up beside you I was positive about it, and tomorrow I know that I will be more sure of it than ever. It is you. You are the love of my life. If someone were to ask me what their top words would describe you, I would say you are the absolute best. You are my real life fairy tale, and I would not change a thing. I love you every day. I am taken by surprise by how beautiful you are. If only you could see yourself how I see you, then you will know you are perfect just as you are. Everyone has a particular motivation that gets them out of bed to face the day. For me, it is you. Seeing your smile is always the greatest part of every day. It always has been from the day we meet to now, years later. Darling, if you are ever feeling lonely or sad, always remember how deeply I love you. When I can finally put my arms around you, I am never going to let go. You are always my dearest hello and my hardest goodbye. If being with you is my karma, then I know I must have done something very right in my life. I am so grateful that you are here to brighten all my days and nights. Thanks for watching video.